In a historic milestone for sustainable energy, Navitas Solar is proud to introduce Navitas USA by Colby, the first majority Black-owned solar module manufacturing facility in North America. Let's rewind to the beginning and discover the journey of Navitas, a top 10 Indian solar manufacturing company renowned for its excellence in solar technology. With a legacy of innovation and expertise, Navitas has made waves in the solar industry for the last decade, empowering communities worldwide. Now Navitas is bringing its visionary approach to North America, partnering with Sustainable Equity and Colby Solar to revolutionize the renewable energy landscape. We are also introducing Geosol Global, the exclusive distributor for North America of best-in-class Indian-made Navitas solar panels, and Navitas USA by Colby will be manufacturing American-made solar by the summer of 2024. Join us as we build a greener and more equitable future. Together, we can make a difference.